The global smart manufacturing market size is projected to hit $998.99 billion by 2032. Nearly 60% of enterprises are already investing in intelligent automation. And yet, over 65% of factories still rely on outdated manual workflows. For manufacturers and industrial leaders, this is the edge. Autonomous factories are not a vision anymore. They are becoming the new operational standard. In this video, we are going to explore how autonomous factories work, what they require to scale, and how enterprises are building them to outpace competitors. If you are in manufacturing, supply chain, or industrial automation, this is what you need to know. An autonomous factory is more than automation. It is a production environment where machines plan, act, learn, and optimize with minimal human input. Picture a line where machines not only assemble, they self-diagnose, adjust processes in real time, reroute logistics based on inventory shifts, and even trigger maintenance based on performance signals. The core engine behind this is intelligent systems that work continuously on live factory data, and that changes everything. Traditional factories are built for throughput, but they break under volatility. Demand spikes, supply disruptions, and quality variations all require fast thinking. Autonomous factories are built for responsiveness. By connecting edge sensors, adaptive models, and decision systems in one loop, teams can shift from lagging visibility to real-time control. Factories can now reduce unplanned downtime by up to 40%, increase throughput by 25%, and cut quality failures by 30% without increasing headcount or hours. There are 4 foundational blocks every autonomous setup needs. First, digital twins that mirror the physical system with precision. Second, a robust edge layer that processes data where it is generated. Third, adaptive agents that learn from output patterns and shift accordingly. And fourth, governance models that ensure every system stays aligned with production goals. Most factories already have some of this infrastructure, but without an integrated architecture, the intelligence cannot scale. One leading electronics brand embedded adaptive agents across assembly lines. They improved yield predictability by 22% in the first 90 days. A European manufacturer integrated autonomous diagnostics into their casting process. Defects dropped by 35%, and manual checks fell to less than 5% of all output. A consumer goods company launched a pilot where scheduling agents recalibrated shifts based on supplier lead times. The result, a 17% reduction in late orders and overtime costs. These are not experiments. These are systems in production, delivering outcomes. The next generation of industrial competitiveness will not come from scale or pricing. It will come from the speed of response and the quality of decision. Factories that think, adapt, and act will lead. Factories that wait will lag behind, permanently. And this is where we come in. At Intellivon, we partner with organizations to design and deploy intelligent systems that deliver business results from day one. Whether you are building autonomous workflows in manufacturing, logistics, or industrial services, our team helps you create systems that are production-ready, outcome-aligned, and built to adapt. If you are ready to move beyond manual decisions and build infrastructure that runs with intelligence, we are here to help. Let us help you engineer the next leap in industrial performance. Thanks for watching. If this gave you a more structured lens to think about autonomous manufacturing, drop a comment. We would love to hear how your organization is approaching AI in operations.